Hey, let's see what's going on with Terry. So Terry, you said it's not a submarine, but you got it as watertight as you can get it, right?
That's about it, man. That's it.
So we were just talking earlier on another video. This is a brand new 2025 Brinkley, and it's an Air 295. And the customer was having water getting in the compartment. So if you want to go over it, Terry, or I can go over it. I know what you did.
It was mainly water was coming down through here. Right here, you got your gap coming here, which you still got your sill. The water still shouldn't go through.
Yep.
But it's coming down in here and sitting because it's tapered down going in towards the compartment. So I pulled this door catch off, filled it with silicone all around it, put that back on, siliconed all these holes.
And the screws are hidden underneath
All
of it,
the
right?
screws,
Oh, yeah. They're back there.
Yeah, the screws are, they're underneath there. So
Yep,
screws are all silicone, the plate underneath, everything's silicone
All the
underneath.
screw holes are injected and
So
sealed as well.
water was coming down through here, getting underneath this is what I want to say. And
coming through
and leaking down inside.
Maybe you can see if you can get that rust stain off too for him.
That's where he had a hammer or something sitting there.
Yeah.
So, and then to make extra sure.
Yeah, seeing that you siliconed all the handles. You siliconed all the way around.
The handles. I mean, so let it sit and do another water test and see what happens.
All right, very cool. So again, you know, we talk about silicones, and there's RV grade silicones, and you see it in all of our articles, videos, posts, and other stuff. The silicone is applied to anything you can get on the coach, right? Any molding, any trim, any transition, S-locks, J-metals, awnings, awning brackets, windows, side molding, seams, anything that water could potentially get past, right? So we know that a lot of the manufacturers will put putties and stuff underneath of them, but a lot of times you can't see when that got compressed, if it was thick enough, thin enough. You don't know if it's tight enough. As time goes, the coach moves and flexes. So when it's built brand new, it maybe will not leak, right? But as you start to use it, go through a winter or two, guess what's going to happen? So if you've watched not only on our Brinkley RV, in the RV Shop with Dustin Facebook group, or any of our other groups, or gone to any of our YouTubes, or gone to any of our other groups, or any groups that you're on, you'll see countless RVs with water damage, right? So just to go back again, try not to beat a dead horse, but you know, folks, if you have a compartment door and you see this and there's no sealant on there, I highly, after 25 years of doing RV repair, recommend that you wipe this off and put a bead of silicone on there. We've got all kinds of videos, articles. We show you the tools, the guns, the tips, the tricks. You can tape it, you can soap it, you can knock it down. There's several ways to seal them all up, but get some sealant on them. You know, if not, you're going to end up with water damage as time goes, and you're going to regret it. You know, it's basically going to damage your unit, damage the sidewalls. I don't care what kind of material they say, oh, it's this or that brand or whatever. Well, you know, I got a whole lot full of stuff. There's not one unit out here that I can't walk out to and see something that's water damaged, you know. So anyways, stay tuned for more. I'll quit nagging at you. Hope this video helps you out. But again, water prevention. There's a whole huge gap right there that's just going to absorb all the water it can, and it can run into this one too. So anyway, stay tuned for more, and hopefully these videos help. If you haven't already joined our Brinkley group or any of our other manufacturer groups, we recommend that you do so. Again, those videos are put out to help give you kind of a heads up on what's going on in the shop, statuses. You can see what we're doing. You can see what we're talking about. You can see kind of updates. You can hear what we're saying and what we're doing to it, you know, on any of the units that are on the lot. So, okay, hopefully this benefits you, and thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.